Hi, welcome to our studio. So, இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நேற்றுக்கே ஒரு ஹிண்ட் கொடுத்தேன். போன வீடியோவில் we have seen about nitrogenous waste, how different types of organism excrete different type of waste. நம்மலாம் எது கீழே வருவோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். இந்த வேஸ்ட்லாம் யார் வெளியில் அனுப்புகிறாங்க அப்படின்னு தான் கேட்டிருந்தேன் போன வீடியோவில். யார் வெளியில் அனுப்புகிறாங்க? எஸ், there is someone called as kidney. So in the kidney தான் இந்த waste தான் it filters and it sends out. Okay, how adha paakrom. So if you see, this kidney is a bean shaped organ. Okay, kidney mari irukum. Okay, idoda nalla structures you can see in that. I'm just drawing for you to understand. So this kidney is a bean shaped organ. Okay va, and it has two layers. Okay, so the outer layer of kidney is called as cortex and the inner layer of kidney is called as medulla. Okay, so this kidney enna indha kidney oda main function enga irukum appdi paathona, this kidney will be located where it will be located in the lumbar region, that is spine. அதாவது உங்களுக்கு கிட்னி இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும் at the back. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இது வந்து ஒரு it will be reddish brown in color. ஓகே, அண்ட் ஒரு அதோட வெயிட் பார்த்தோம்னா 120 to 170 grams. இதுதான் அதோட வெயிட். ஓகேவா? ஸோ these are the basic structure of kidney. As you all know, like it is a bean shaped organ. So ரெண்டு லேயர் இருக்கும். ஒன்று வந்து outer layer which is called as cortex. outer layer பேரு cortex and inner layer பேரு medulla. சரியா? இந்த kidney தான் இந்த filtration ல mostly involved. So there will be a tube-like structure which will be arising from kidney. Okay. So these tube-like structures are called as ureter அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம், which will be around 10 to 12 inches, a tube-like structure which arises from kidney, which is called as ureter. So in the ureter oda main function enna appdin paathona, in the kidney produce pandra waste which will be in the form of urine, in the ureter valiya da this ureter only it carries. So this ureter is connected to each lobe of kidney. Each lobe of kidney has a pair of ureter which carries the urine. எங்க கொண்டு போகும் யூரினை? it carries urine to something called as urinary bladder. So இந்த ureter என்ன பண்ணும்? யூரினை it carries to urinary bladder. சரியா? So இந்த டியூப் வழியா தான் ureter tube valiya da urine will be passed into the urinary bladder. So in the urinary bladder la da the urine will be temporarily stored. So this urinary bladder is a muscular elastic organ which holds the urine temporarily. So at last there is last part enna appdin paathona, there is something called as urethra. Through urethra the urine is sent out. Okay, புரியுதா? So kidney வந்து it is a bean shaped organ. The outer layer of kidney is called as cortex and the inner layer of kidney is called as medulla, and the kidney has a small tube like structure arising called as ureter which carries the urine from the kidney to urinary bladder. In the urinary bladder is a muscular organ which holds the urine temporarily, and through urethra the urine is sent out. Okay, So this urethra action is controlled by a type of muscle called as urethral sphincter muscles. எப்படி வந்து நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஸ்டொமக்ல ஸ்மால் இன்டெஸ்டைன்ல எல்லாம் சில மசில்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும்ல, அதே மாதிரி இந்த யூரின் will be controlled by a muscle called as urethral sphincter muscles. So in the urethral sphincter muscles தான் it controls the action of urine. Okay, the amount of urine being sent out and being closed வந்து இந்த urethral sphincter muscles தான் decide பண்ணும். Okay, it controls the activity. So இந்த kidney எங்க இருக்கு? It will be located in the lumbar region and it is reddish brown in color. நம்மளோட fist size தான் இருக்கும் kidney. ஓகேவா? அப்புறம் என்ன, it is around 120 to 170 grams. It's bean shaped. Okay, it has the following parts, namely ureter, urinary bladder, அப்புறம் urethra. These are the parts which is present in kidney. Clear இல்லையா? So it has the following parts, namely ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the parts which is present in kidney. சரி, இந்த கிட்னி தான் ஃபில்ட்ரேஷன்ல இன்வால்வ் ஆறாங்களா இல்ல கிட்னில உள்ள வேற ஏதாவது பார்ட் இன்வால்வ் ஆறாங்களா? Who is exactly involved in filtration? Kidney. ஆனா கிட்னில உள்ள எந்த பார்ட் which is doing that filtration, அது இல்லனா ஃபில்ட்ரேஷனே நடக்காது. இது என்ன பார்ட்? Keep thinking. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. This is Rudar.